Don't make the same mistakes that we did when we applied for a Chinese visa. Hi guys! My name is Mommy Joyce and I love traveling with my toddler. Mistake number 1. Pumunta kami sa mismong Chinese Embassy sa May Makati. Ang nag-a-accept lang ng application ay ang Chinese Visa Application Service Center. Located dito. Screenshot nyo na lang para hindi kayo magkamali. Mistake number 2. For bank documents and cover letters, dapat ay naka-address siya sa Embassy of China. Mostly, ang nagkakamali dito ay ang mga banks. So please take note of this address. Mistake number 3. Ito yung dahilan kaya hindi kami agad nakapag-submit sa Visa Center. For bank certificates and certificate of employment, please note that these are only valid for 1 month from the date of issuance. Mistake number 4. You don't need to have an exact amount of 100,000 pesos when applying. Travelers going to China only have 60 to 70,000 pesos and still got approved. Pro tip: you can also add your digital bank except for Cbank. Mistake number 5. Kung sa China tinatanggap ang Alipay at WeChat Pay, sa Visa Center naman, wala kang ibang option kundi mag-cash. Follow me and join my community on Facebook for more China DIY budget travel tips. Bye!